Good afternoon, Pottinger's class.
Good afternoon.
I shall be up here, everyone. 6.4, perimeter and area of complex shapes. Can you find that?
Yes.
All right, a complex shape or a complex figure would be made up of two or more what?
Basic shapes.
Such as a...
Square, triangle, rectangle, parallelogram.
If you follow this trace here, this would be a complex shape. The reason we call that a complex shape is because it is made up of two basic shapes like that triangle and that square. Yes?
Yes.
So now we know the difference between a basic shape and a complex shape. Yes?
Yes.
Area. Area is the space that is what?
Inside.
It's inside a shape. Perimeter is that Perimeter is the distance around the...
Outside.
So area inside perimeter. Cool. How do you find the area of a rectangle, a square, or a parallelogram, class?
Base times height.
How do you find the area of a triangle, class?
Base times height divided by 2.
Don't forget to divide by 2. And everybody, how do you find the perimeter of any shape?
Add all sides together.
Beautiful. To chunk means to break a complex shape into a basic shape. So we've talked about complex shapes and basic shapes. Now we're going to talk about chunking. This is, let me change the color here. This is a, if you follow the green outline, a complex shape. True or false?
True.
If I just put a simple line right here, have I just made a basic rectangle?
Yes.
And a second basic rectangle?
Yes.
Yes. So if I wanted to find the area of those two rectangles, I would just find the area of this one first and the area of this one second, right?
Yeah.
And then add them together. So what's the base? So let's just focus on this one. What's the base of that rectangle? What's the base? 2. It's actually listed up here, right? What's the height?
3.
So 2 times 3 for that little one, yeah?
Yeah.
What is the base of the big rectangle?
8.
What's the height?
7.
Not 10?
No.
Ah, the height is of the whole shape. But this basic rectangle ends right here, right? Nice job. So 8 times 7? Put them together to get your overall area, yes?
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if you remember, these two were not given to you, were they? So we knew this side was 10, right? And we knew this side was 3, right? We did not know what this side, it was not given to us. Let's pretend it was gone. If you know this is 3 and you know this is 10, could you figure out what this is? Because those two lines, this line right here and this line right here, are going to add up to that left side, aren't they? We good? Okie dokie. Two basic shapes. Basic shape, basic shape. Is this length 13? No. It ends right here, right? So we got to take the entire length of this whole shape and subtract the 3 because the parallelogram ends there. We good? And lastly, if you have a weird blob type shape like this, what's your best strategy for finding the area? Count all the full squares first, right? And then do we just combine partial squares? We feeling good?